guys, today I'm playing car driving Indonesia, but every time I crash, the qualities get higher. Yes, that means this will have the shadow later on when in the video when I crash. So let's spawn the car. Wait, it's processing, but low quality. Look at that, my FPS. But let's make our first crash. Oh yeah, please don't crash because we have. Okay, fine. I'll hire on the quality. There we go. I first crashed. Much more higher quality. And then we're going for our second crash. Boom. So we crashed. So it's the quality. That's quality. Proceed. And there we go. Please don't crash. When it's very high quality, I am making sure that I don't crash or else my PC will crash. Yes, that's it. It's right. It's right. So yeah, if I crash like this, oh yes, this is not enough. If I crash, yeah, it crashed, and the graphics quality gets a lot more realistic. It's starting to get realistic. Yeah. But yeah, we need to find a job. Yeah. We need to find a job. And please don't crash. Don't tell me I don't crash. Yeah. Look at that. Yes. It's 12 in the public server. So yeah. I'm gonna switch to private server. Yeah. Oh! It's there! That's... Oh yeah. Oh, I crashed. Yes, we need to hire graphics quality. There we go. There we go. Yes, there we go. There we go. Look at this. Oh yeah. Please tell me I don't crash because if I crash again, I get to higher my graphics quality. Okay, I crashed like 2 times, so let's up like 2. Yes, and if I crash one more time, then the graphics quality is there. There we go. Let's not get it too realistic because look at my FPS is 15, like 16, 13, 17, like that. Yeah, look at my FPS. And my laptop. My laptop so potato is annoying. When it's high quality, but it's high quality. Yeah. If this map is too big, it's like 2 times bigger, the game would probably crash. Yes. Just make sure I don't crash right now. Yeah, I gotta go to the mountain. Yeah, gotta go to the mountain without crashing, guys. Right? So. No! No! I gotta have graphics quality. No! Look at it one more time and then the game will probably crash because of the... Look at that! 12 FPS, 60 FPS. Yeah, anyway, continue on. Oh, my car is so slow. Oh yes, there we go, there we go. I can see the city from here. I can see the city from here. And that's my dog barking. Yeah, and you go and please don't crash. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see such spot right there, so I consider that as a crash. And then it's time for the ultimate graphics part. Oh, everything looks realistic. Oh my god, look at that, the shadows. Everything so realistic. Like, look at me, bro. If I jump on this car. No, look at me, I'm so realistic. I don't mind about my new avatar, I guess. Look at me. Oh my god, it's so realistic. Look at that. Yeah, everything's so realistic now. Yeah, but I don't mind about that. It's fine. It's completely fine. And look at the FPS. Yes, yeah, everything looks realistic now. Look at that. There's a shop right there. Yeah, look at those trees. Wow, it's so realistic. Everything looks realistic. Oh, wait, is that person right there or is it an astronaut one? I don't know. Tell me down in the comments below. Yeah. But oh, no, 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 no. If you take other crush, oh yeah, I can take crush. Oh yeah, sorry guys, that's all of it. And goodbye everybody. Oh yeah, oh yeah, my laptop is very hot now, so goodbye everyone. See you in my next video. Goodbye.